Welcome to Omnihubs. Today we'll show you how to create a new chat flow on Omnihub's platform. On the left, click Bots, then select the chatbot you want to create a flow for. For this demo, I'm using the Instagram chatbot. You can follow the same steps for any platform. After selecting the chatbot, go to the Edit Your Chat Flow section. You'll see a list of all your created flows on this page. You can view the number of message components in each chat flow, along with the creation and last modified dates. You can also manage the default and revisit flows from here. For a detailed guide on managing default and revisit flows, check the video link in the description below. From here, you can also edit, delete, or download any chat flow to your system. Now, to create a new chat flow, simply click the Create New Flow button on the right-hand side. Enter a flow name. I'll use Flow 3 for this demo, then click the Create Flow button. After clicking Create Flow, you'll land on this page, the Classic Builder, where you can create or reorder your chat flow. You'll see some pre-added components that you can delete or keep in your flow as needed. To add chat components to your flow, you'll find all the available components on the left. Here are the most frequently used ones. You can add any message or name to your chat flow. For example, the name component will look like this. Ask the user to provide their name, and they will reply to the message. You can also customize the message by editing both the prompt and the response. To do this, simply delete the default message and write your own. Ask, "What is your name?" and you'll see that the bot has been successfully updated, meaning your message is now live. After that, you can map the next message by clicking the Go to Next Message button. Now, decide what message should appear next. For example, I've added the phone number component and want it to follow, "What is your name?" So I'll map it here. The message will say, "Please provide your phone number." Once done, the bot will update successfully and the messages will be connected. After the "Please provide your phone number" message, I want the email message to appear. So I'll map the email component by clicking the button. The message will be, "What is your email address?" Once mapped, the bot updates successfully. This means the messages are now mapped to each other. Next, you can add the single-choice chat component to your flow, where users can select one option from the available choices. You can increase the number of options by clicking the ++ button. You can also edit the message text and the options from this section. For example, I'm adding the question, "What is your favorite color?" and providing a few options like red, blue, green, and yellow. The message and options have been successfully updated, and the user can choose any of them. You can also map a different next message for each option if needed. For example, if the user selects the red option, you can decide what message to show next. In this case, I want to display, "How are you doing today?" after the user selects red, so I'll map that message accordingly. Similarly, if the user selects the blue option, I want to show a different message. For example, "Please provide your phone number." You can also set next messages for the green and yellow options in the same way. The chat flow will continue based on the user's selections. Next, we have the text question component, where users can type any custom response, whether it's a question or a statement. You can also integrate ChatGPT from here by clicking the Train Your AI button. This allows you to connect ChatGPT to your flow and choose the Go to Next Message option afterward. Next is the Request Information section, where you can ask the user for specific details, like their name, phone number, or email. You can also use single choice or text question components to gather answers based on your requirements. You can ask users for their location using the location component, or have them enter a number using the numeric input component. You can also add a smart question section to trigger specific responses based on keywords in the user's answer. In the Smart Question section, you can edit the message and enter a smart keyword, for example, 0. If the user's response contains this keyword, the bot will automatically show the next message you've mapped for that condition. After he typed this keyword, if you want to know about the Smart Keyword Chat component in detail, then the video link of it will be given in the description box below. You can also add the API component to manage real-time information within your chat flow. API settings can be configured from the right-hand side, where you'll see the default response code options for handling responses from your API. You can edit the response codes, select the next message with Go to Next Message, and configure your API using the Configure APIs button. Use the message component to send a message to the user, or the image component to share an image. You can edit the text or add any content you want to send. You can upload an image by clicking the Upload button, or insert an image URL using the link option. Users will be redirected to the provided image. Then, choose the next message by clicking the Go to Next Message button. You can also send a video or add a video link using the same method. Users will be redirected to the video you provided, or you can upload a video by clicking the Upload button. Next, there's the Web Link Kinaiskyun chat component, where you can send any website link to the user. You can set the title layers and edit the message by selecting for the web link here. To continue the flow, click Soi to go to Next Message and choose the next message to show. You can also add a trigger action Soies and component to perform specific actions in your chat flow. You can use the trigger action to send users to a live chat at any point in your flow. Click on Manage Team to handle your team members. For detailed info on team roles and permissions, check the video link in the description below. You can also integrate ChatGPT to handle user queries beyond a certain point in your flow by clicking the Train Your AI button. This will connect ChatGPT to your chat. This concludes the classic builder for creating and reordering your chat flow. You can also use the Visualize Flow option, where you can add new components by clicking the Add New Component button. The same components available in the classic builder are also here in the Visualize Flow option. You can add any component from this list and map them together. For example, after this message, you can choose the next message to show in the flow. Once you connect the messages together, your chat flow will be created. You can test it by clicking the Test button to ensure everything works as expected. That's all about creating a new chat flow. If you need any help, feel free to refer to our help documentation. The link will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.